let's see, for the past 5 years, your toe's been going inwards. Is that right, Mama?
Yes.
All right. And since it's been going on for quite some time, to the point that you have a lot of trouble walking on that left foot of yours.
Yes.
Right? And also it's uncomfortable to stand for more than an hour. Okay. And also the right one is a little bit less uncomfortable discomfort versus the left one.
Yes.
We're going to start off with instrumentation. And this device over here is just looking for, is there any abnormal temperature? You know, just like when you get sick and Mama gives you a thermometer, check for your temperature. Well, this was checking for temperature for inflammation. We're looking for the signs of inflammation. And we have a little abnormal temperature right at this level right there. How's that right there?
Uncomfortable.
All right. How's this one right over here?
A little bit uncomfortable.
All right. Let's check. How's this one over here?
Uncomfortable.
Got it. How's that fella right there?
Uncomfortable.
How's that one?
Hurts.
All right. But this one's more?
Oh, yes.
So let's check a little more. How about that one?
Uncomfortable.
That one?
Uncomfortable. Everything's all uncomfortable.
Got it. But this is the worst so far. Right
Yes.
there. Got it. So that's that second sacral segment right over there. All right, Mama. So you mentioned about his feet was going inwards for the past 5 years. And why was it doing that? Is because we tested that structure right over here. Right? This is that second sacral segment, and it interconnects with this sacroiliac joint over here, the right hip, and the left hip as well. Right? So when it does so, it gets knocked out of alignment like this. It can push both of these hips outwards. In other words, it'll push them both going towards this way. As a result, that's why both of his feet is going to go inwards as well.
Right.
So we need to correct this. And when it alleviates the pressure off of these fellows over here, you'll notice his feet will start to go into more normal alignment as well.
Okay.
Right? Just a little more.
Oh God, I feel a crack on my body.
Walk around. Okay, so the right foot has improved significantly. The left is still a work in progress. And it comes to no surprise because these are compensation that turn into a problem due to your foundation that was in proper alignment. So we're going to address this one first. Okay, just relax, let it go. No, let it go. Just gotta relax. Yeah, that's one. Oh, relax, champ. You gotta relax this one. A little more. That's two.
I feel like everything that you did has changed my legs. Like it felt like brand new, like a brand new leg.
Alright, you like that. Alright, Phillipson, what do you think, Mama?
I see them much better. I see them a little bit more straight than before. I think a lot of difference.
Alright, so this is what your homework is, alright?
Okay.
What sport do you like to play? What, soccer, football, volleyball?
What you just said in the first beginning,
Mhm.
those two, football and soccer.
Alright, I want you to keep doing that,
Okay.
alright? Here's another thing I want you to do. Spring is around the corner, right? I want you to go to either run in a grassy field,
Okay.
right? Or something that's sandy like the beach.
Okay.
The purpose of it is I want an unstable surface. That will help strengthen up those ankles of yours. It's been kind of weak and it was used to that misaligned position for so long. We need to rehabilitate and strengthen those up. And that's one of the best exercises you can do for that.
Okay.
All right? Okay, here's another homework. I want you to ice that low back of yours. All right, 20 minutes, 3 times a day.
Okay.
And then we'll do another follow-up 1 month down the road.
Okay.
All right? You're all set, champ.
Okay. Thanks.
Oh, you're very welcome.